Hello everyone! In our last video, we explored the Cave of Poetry in southern Italy. It's a natural pool known for its breathtaking beauty and historical significance. So far, we've visited 9 countries and made short documentaries with stunning 4K drone footage. If you missed any, check out our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring Alberobello, located in the south of Italy. This charming town, home to about 10,000 residents, boasts ancient stone-paved streets that add to its historic charm. Alberobello is famous for its unique Trulli houses. These whitewashed homes with grey, pyramid-shaped roofs create a striking landscape. Trulli were built using local limestone without mortar, so they could be easily dismantled, supposedly to avoid taxes on permanent structures. The white walls reflect the hot southern sun, keeping interiors cool, while the stacked stone roofs are durable and distinctive. Over 1 million tourists visit Alberobello annually, strolling through its picturesque alleys and admiring the Trulli. Some roofs have hand-painted symbols, adding an artistic touch to this already captivating town. We visited the Church of Saints Cosmas and Damian at Alberobello. Built in the late 18th century, this neoclassical church is central to the town's spiritual life. The church boasts a beautiful neoclassical facade with columns and ornate decorations. Inside, it's adorned with stunning frescoes, intricate carvings, and a grand altar, making it a masterpiece of religious architecture. The nearby streets and houses add to the church's charm, with the iconic Trulli creating a unique backdrop. However, the narrow roads around the church can sometimes lead to traffic congestion, requiring careful navigation by drivers. The Church of St. Lucia, dedicated to the patron saint of the blind, is another significant landmark, reflecting Alberobello's rich heritage. It was built in 19th century, and many tourists visit this church. We also visited the Fountain of the Sovereigns near the Monument to the Fallen, honoring those lost in the World Wars. These sites add historical depth to our visit. The people of Alberobello are incredibly friendly. They even waved at our drone. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a must-visit, with its unique Trulli houses, historic churches, and beautiful landmarks. Besides the welcoming locals, many tourists stroll the stone-paved streets, exploring landmarks like the Church of Saints Cosmas and Damian and the Church of St. Lucia. Visitors also enjoy the scenic Fountain of the Sovereigns and the Monument to the Fallen. While the surrounding countryside showcases traditional farming of olives and vineyards. Farming is a big part of life here, with fertile soil perfect for olive groves and vineyards. Next time, we'll take you to Sorrento. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you soon!